स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Ready? Start. The education is to be imparted to primary students. Again, under the same paragraph, the district council can construct dispensaries, markets, and roads, and can manage ferries, fisheries, and waterways. The district council can make regulations for the regulation and control of all these activities with the approval of the governor. But now, under the present bill, the governor will have to take the approval of the Council of Ministers while approving of the regulations made by the district council. Consequently, the state government has been empowered to interfere with the development work of the district council under paragraph 9 of the 6th schedule to the constitution. If any dispute arises over the share of royalties for exploitation of mineral resources between the state government and the district council, the dispute shall be referred to the governor and his decision thereon shall be final. But under the present bill, the decision of the state government in such a matter shall be final, and in this manner the district council will be deprived of its due share of royalty. The present bill seeks to give more powers to the state government to interfere with the discretionary power of the governor. At the same time, all democratic norms are being flouted to curb the powers of the district council by the Council of Ministers. Under paragraph 15 of the 6th schedule to the constitution, the governor can annul a legislation of the district council with the approval of the state legislature if it is likely to endanger the safety of India or is likely to be prejudicial to public order. But now, under the present bill, the governor will not be required to take approval of the state legislature. Sir, under paragraph 16 of the 6th schedule to the constitution, the governor may, on the recommendation of a commission appointed under paragraph 14 of the said schedule, order the dissolution of a district council on charges of corruption in the commission's report. Thereafter, he may direct that a fresh general election shall be held immediately for the reconstitution of the council. He may also assume the administration of the area under the authority of the council himself or place the administration of such area under the commission appointed under the said paragraph or any other body considered suitable by him with the previous approval of the state legislature. But now, under the present bill, the governor will not be required to get the approval of the state legislature if he wants to assume the administration of the area under the authority of a council himself. The governor can now dissolve the district council with the consent of the Council of Ministers. Consequently, the representatives of the people in the legislature will be deprived of expressing their views on the dissolution of the council. So, the present bill strikes at the very root of democracy. The present bill relates to Tripura and Mizoram. We have 5 crores tribals in our country. What is the condition of these tribals? What facilities do these tribals enjoy to develop themselves educationally and culturally? How is it that under the constitution, even after 53 years of independence, we have not yet been able to provide sufficient facilities to the tribals to enable them to develop their language, culture and education? Who is responsible? Stop. Over. तो दोस्तों ये डिक्टेशन आज की हो गई है, और जिस किसी को भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चाहिए हैं ऑडियो और पीडीएफ के साथ, वो पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कर सकता है। अबाउट सेक्शन में जाकर यूट्यूब के अबाउट सेक्शन में नंबर दिया हुआ है, आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो और आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट बताकर आप डिक्टेशंस और पीडीएफ ले सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।